Orthomolecular medicine, success stories, real transformations in wellness. Discover inspiring orthomolecular medicine success stories, showcasing how personalized nutrient therapies promote health, self-care, and personal transformation. Orthomolecular medicine, success stories, personalized nutrient therapies, changing lives. Hey there, I want to share something really fascinating that's been making waves in the world of health and wellness, orthomolecular medicine. If you haven't heard about it yet, this is a branch of medicine focused on optimizing health by providing the body with exactly what it needs in terms of nutrients and vitamins. The whole idea is pretty simple, but powerful. Instead of using drugs to mask symptoms, orthomolecular medicine uses targeted doses of nutrients to help the body heal itself naturally. What's really inspiring are the countless success stories of people transforming their health and overall well-being through personalized nutrient therapies. These aren't just isolated cases. They show how personalized care and attention to one's unique biochemical needs can lead to profound personal transformation. And since everyone's body chemistry is different, this approach is all about customization, making the treatments as effective as possible. Let me tell you about a few of these inspiring stories. Sarah's journey with chronic fatigue. Sarah had struggled for years with relentless exhaustion. Doctors told her it was stress or just part of aging. She tried everything, from caffeine to conventional supplements, but nothing seemed to help. When she turned to orthomolecular medicine, she underwent detailed testing that revealed specific vitamin and mineral deficiencies, particularly B vitamins and magnesium. After months of a customized nutrient regimen, Sarah reported a remarkable turnaround. She regained her energy, her focus improved, and her mood lifted. What seemed hopeless became a fresh chapter of vitality and enthusiasm. James. Overcoming anxiety and brain fog. James was dealing with severe anxiety and brain fog that affected his work and personal life. Therapy and prescription meds helped, but didn't fully solve the problem. Through orthomolecular medicine, his doctor discovered imbalances in amino acids and antioxidant levels. With a tailored plan including amino acid therapy and high-dose vitamin C, James slowly noticed his mind clearing up and anxiety easing. He regained control over his mental health and embraced a holistic lifestyle to maintain his progress. Maria's recovery from autoimmune symptoms. Maria had painful joint inflammation and digestive issues tied to an autoimmune disorder. Conventional treatments provided limited relief. Because orthomolecular medicine focuses on nutrient sufficiency and reducing oxidative stress, Maria's regimen included anti-inflammatory nutrients like omega-3s, vitamin D, and antioxidants. Over time, Maria's symptoms subsided, and she was able to reduce reliance on medications, embracing a more active, balanced life. These stories highlight something crucial. The role of self-care and understanding your body's unique needs can lead to meaningful improvements in mental health and physical well-being. Orthomolecular medicine perfectly complements the ideas of mindfulness and living a healthy lifestyle because it encourages paying attention to what your body is telling you and giving it exactly what it needs. If you're curious to learn more about how personalized nutrient therapies can shift your own well-being, or simply want to explore the broader ideas around wellness and holistic health, there are some fantastic resources available. For example, the collection of books offered by Wellbeing Publishing dives into many areas of self-help, health, and personal growth that might just spark your interest. Explore the books now. They're a great place to start your own journey toward greater vitality. Before we wrap up, here are a few takeaways that these success stories from orthomolecular medicine can offer anyone. Personalized care makes a big difference. There's no one-size-fits-all in nutrition or healing. Supplying your body with the right nutrients can help resolve chronic issues without relying solely on pharmaceuticals. Tracking progress and fine-tuning your approach leads to sustainable improvements. Taking control of your health means embracing self-help and self-care practices consistently. Combining biochemical balance with mindfulness and a healthy lifestyle supports whole-person wellness. So, whether you're curious about alternative medicine approaches or looking to enhance your journey of personal transformation, orthomolecular medicine offers something worth paying attention to. It beautifully blends science, nutrition, and individual empowerment to help ordinary people achieve extraordinary results. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, learning about your body's needs and taking charge of your health is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. Here's to your continued wellness and self-care journey. For more insights on holistic health and to deepen your understanding of self-help, check out the amazing collection of resources by Wellbeing Publishing. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you, designed to support your mental health and guide you toward a thriving, healthy lifestyle.